I'm on my way to go get another project. Probably shouldn't be buying another project right now, but I can't help myself. I literally just be watching the auctions all the time. Cars, trucks, bikes, ATVs. Hell, sometimes I even watch the auctions up north with the snowmobiles, knowing damn well I'm not gonna buy no snowmobile. Here we go. I'm back at Crash Toys.
My life has been switched up, ay, and I want to just blow up. Thought it was a little push off, wish my life could just speed up. Tick tock goes the clock, always kept changing block, different luck, different knock. What a shot, I can talk in my zone, all alone, in a hole on my own. Pedals on for my phone, with my music on my phone. Hey, why, yeah. They just message when I'm doing good. Yeah, they just message when I'm doing good. Hey, why, yeah. They just message when I'm doing good. Yeah, they just message when I'm doing good. I just wanna try to explain all the battles that I went through that made me cool, that made me so numb to the pain. I brought my brain to the game from the day I had to leave to the doors of a plane. Yeah, hey, whoa. I think that was the best day, cause I wouldn't be here today. Ooh, probably the price to pay. Hey, oh, whoa. I ain't got no time for fake. I ain't too not your what's next. Oh, sleep on me, I say, oh wait. I say it like.
Alright, here's a new project. How can you not like that gray? That gray is sexy. This is it. Whoa, look at all of that. Now the Honda and the R6 is pretty straightforward, but this right here is going to be a lot more involved. That front end look like a, that's just a train wreck, man. All of this is, look at all that wiring and crap. But it's all good, it's all good. All the rest of the bike is fine. But yeah, this is it. I don't even know if any of these electronics even still plugged up or not. I don't even know if this dash still works. And I want to start it and something, damn bike blow up or something. Let's see. Yeah, it's not, it ain't got no power or nothing. Figured it wouldn't, but figured I'd give it a try. They got most of this zip tied on, so I have to take that zip tie off. Look like everything is good in there. The radiator looks fine too. Now up here, the cap is missing. Is radiator fluid in there? Let's see if I can get that to focus or not. But it looked like this top right here was like mangled, twisted. Fender's broken off. Look like the fluid is leaking out right here. Probably need to go ahead and drain that and take that off. Gas tank is solid. Look like this bottom fairing right here and the rear got a little damage, but the lights and everything is still good. Even looking at the tires, this bike probably has under 3,000 miles on it. Probably a lot less than that, considering this is an 18 model. And looking at the tires, this thing probably got maybe 1,000, 2,000 miles on it, if that. The front tire the same way. It look like these tires are pretty much brand new. The brakes are good. Luckily for me this time, these wheels are undamaged, so that's perfect. I honestly hate having to deal with wheels. Even though those are really not that bad to deal with, you just buy a new set and you're on your way. But I already deal with all this other crap than trying to find wheels and replace them. This side of the tank is good. I'm curious to what could have happened because there's front end damage. There's damage on this side of the bike from what it appears. It took a slide, and then if you come on this side, there's also damages of look like a slide. I'm sorry, but over here it has kind of like a reddish paint, as if it ran up against something, or maybe it hit a car or hit a red car maybe. I'm not really sure. I have the title. I just checked the title information and it showed that the bike is pretty local. It's only within like 2 hours away from here. But yeah, this is pretty much a brand new bike. Whoever had it didn't have it long at all. But that's pretty much it, man. I just wanted to do a quick video to show the new project, and of course, just like with the other bikes, I'm gonna just dive into it, break it down, assess all the damages, write down what needs to be replaced, then start replacing them. But speaking of that, for you guys wondering, yes, the other projects are still going. Here's the Honda, and I am gonna start putting more videos out. I have a little bit more time now. I just was super busy trying to get things put into place, but now I think I'm pretty good. Here goes the R6. The R6 is still here, ready to get going. I have all the parts ready for this. I actually got the fairings. That's what that big box is right there next to my oil spill I did. So I mean, I have a lot of stuff coming from this Honda too. So I have the parts and everything ready to go, but like I said, it's just been time. So that's what's really been holding me up. I've been just trying to do too much. I ain't gonna say do too much, but you know, obviously I got a life outside of making videos and stuff. So, but yeah, but now I'm looking good. I got a lot of stuff taken care of. I'm back where I want to be at. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Enough of that personal stuff. But yeah, we're gonna I'm gonna get this going on this ZX14. I should have this Honda done in the next couple weeks, and with the R6, I should have it done probably in the next few weeks as well. So I'm gonna start pumping out videos like crazy. But yeah, that's it. Just stay tuned.